First of all, we will have to install Visual Studio Code, that's VS Code. For that, open any web browser and search VS Code and click on download. After that, choose your operating system, Windows 10 or 11, and then click on direct download link and just install it. Also click on those two open with code options. Okay, after that, install. Now your Visual Studio Code will start installing itself. As you can see, we have successfully installed our Visual Studio Code. Now we will have to install MinGW, that is required for running C and C++ in VS Code. We have to search MinGW. After that, click on the first link and you will get to download from the website source fork. Okay, wait for 3 seconds and your downloading will be started. After your downloading is complete, open it, click on install, continue, and then it will take some times, maybe like 10 to 15 minutes. After this process complete, click on continue. Next, and then we have to choose whatever you have to install. So choose whatever I have chosen in this video and then click on install. Now apply changes and apply. After that, again it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. It does not depend upon your downloading speed. I don't know why, but it takes a lot of time. After this process is completed, you will see option for close. Then click on close. After that, close this dialog box also. Then we will have to go to the C drive. In C drive, go to MinGW folder and then go to bin. After going into the bin folder, you have to copy the location from the address bar. Then after that, copying the address, you will have to search for environment variable, edit environment variable, and then in the above side, user variable for username, go to path, then click on new. No, don't go to system variable, go to user variable. Now we will have to paste the thing we copied. After that, we have successfully installed GCC. For checking it, we have to go to cmd and type gcc space -- version, and you can see that it is showing version 6.3.0. It means we have successfully installed GCC.